Who ate my dried fish snack? I was gone for 5 minutes.
Not me, Dad. I only licked the wrapper, to reduce waste.
Then why is your stomach making earthquake meow noises?
That's just the side effects.
So you did eat it?
No, Dad, it was science. I was testing if dried fish could turn me into a superhero.
Super what? Super smelly?
Listen, if my snacks disappear again, I'll make you eat vegetables.
Dad, that is the most terrifying threat in cat history.
Enough. I'll cook something for both of you.
Yay!
Vegetable soup.
Honey, we're cats, not rabbits.
Dad, wrong.